Hey guys, summer season is about to start again, so I thought, why not make a new pair of sunglasses? Look at this. Isn't it cool? Come on, let's make it. You have to take a small cardboard and cut it in a shape like this. I have used the size of my face. You can use the size of your face. I have cut this piece out of an X-ray sheet. I will paste it with hot glue. It's done. I'm trying it on and this is how it looks. Yeah. Now we're gonna put these pieces and put them like this. So now I've taken this piece and put a toothpick inside here so that when I hold it, it moves like this. So now I'm gonna attach this here so that it moves like this. Look, my folding mechanism is ready. Yay! It works so nicely. Similarly, we'll put another one. Now I have put the other piece. Let me show you. Close, close. There you go. I put some toothpicks to give it strength. Doesn't it look cool? I am smart. It's painting time. Friends, my cardboard sunglasses are ready. It can fold. Now let's try wearing them. Whoa, I look so cool. Yeah. I hope you will subscribe to our channel. Bye. Be creative.